welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Actually I should upload 2 videos on 17th and 20th, but I skipped the videos and start the video today. Based on the title, we are going to talk about hand's manner. Hand means tangan, Indonesia, tangan. Manner, tata krama. In Indonesia, tata krama. Manner. Today's video, we are going to talk about a little bit cultural thing. I can't say it's rule, but it's cultural thing. Almost Indonesian parents teach their children like this. First, use your right hand to give something to someone. Almost Indonesian parents always ask their children to use their right hand to give something to someone. So if you give something with your left hand, almost Indonesians will think it's impolite. How if you are left-handed? How is it? Do you have to always your right hand? I don't know it's a must or not, but if it's really hard for you to use your right hand because you are left-handed, for me it's okay you use left-handed, but you have to say sorry to the person. Sorry, I give it with my left hand because my right hand, why? Okay, so if you are hard to use your right hand, or your right hand is not normal, I said normal because if maybe it's handicapped or something, I don't know. So use your left hand. It's okay. Indonesian will think it's okay. But if your right hand is okay, touch everything and hold everything, and you use your left hand, it's quite impolite. So use your right hand to give something to someone. Okay, it's the first. It's this culture. It doesn't mean all Indonesian can't understand you, that you have a different culture. But for me, actually, if you are foreigner, I mean, you are not Indonesian, and you give me something with your left hand, for me that's okay, but I feel uncomfortable. If you give something to someone with your left hand, they will ask you to use your right hand. But some others, maybe like me, just silent, it's okay, but it's uncomfortable. Number 2, if you eat something, use your right hand. Almost Indonesian use right hand to eat something. It's this cultural thing. There are two reasons. Why Indonesian always why almost Indonesian use their right hand to eat something, with a fork, or with the spoon, or with the chopsticks, or with bare hand, or with plastic gloves. They use right hand. There are 2 reasons. First, Indonesia, if you wash something, if you wash after you do your business in the toilet, they use with water and the left hand. So water and left hand. I will show you someday how Indonesian clean their down there. But I know I will never naked, but I will show you how they clean, how they use water to clean their down there. Indonesian use water to clean their down there, so, and their left hand. So if most Indonesian will think left hand is dirty, even though after you wash your down there, you use soap to clean your hands, your hand. It's the first reason. It's the first reason. Clean, because it's dirty and it's clean. Okay. Second reason is that religious thing. Muslim Indonesian always use their right hand to eat, even though it's with spoon or chopsticks or bare hand or hand with gloves. They use hands because it's just religious thing. Then it's because religious reason. I will not explain the religious reason because I'm not the expert of it. So if you want to know it, it's better to you to find out by yourself why Muslim use their right hand to eat. Okay. Number 3. If someone asks the place and you will show the place or you point something, usually we use this one, right? This one. Oh, over there. Oh, right there. Oh, back there. Oh, up there. Close to me. This one, this one, this one, this one. Use this one. It's common in Indonesia, I know it. It's so common in Indonesia. If you talk with your friends, with your friends, you use this one. There, 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 there. But for the manners, for the politeness, you can't use this one to all people. In the workplace, if you want to show the places to your boss, it's quite impolite if you use this one. Or this, there, sir. There. No. No, don't use this to your boss. Use this. Like this? No. This. Oh, right there, sir. Oh, right there, sir. Oh, over there, sir. Oh, this one there. Oh, this one, sir. Oh, this one, ma'am. This. This one. It's quite common to politeness in Indonesia to point something. If you want to point something, to show something to people, this one, this one, this one, this one. In some places they use their thumb. They use their thumbs to point something. Not like this one, but you have to do this one. Look at this. Do this one and this one. Something. This one. There. 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 This one. They use thumbs, or in Indonesia we call it ibu jari. Ibu jari or jempol. Formal thing we said it's ibu jari, but a casual thing we always call it jempol. Jempol. So some places in Indonesia use this one, this one to point something. If you ask me, hey, have you ever used this one to point something? Maybe yes, but once or twice. I come from a place that it rarely uses this one to point something, so I also rarely to use this one. Not all over Indonesia point something in politeness this one. I recommend you, if you want to be polite to point something, use this one. This one just for some places. I can't guarantee it's used in all over Indonesia, but it better to use this one. This one. That if you want to live in Indonesia for a long time, it's better to you to practice how to use your right hand to give something to someone, or pointing this one or pointing this one, or eat with your right hand. The fourth is shaking hands. If you shake hands with Indonesian, please use right hand. If you have shake hands like this, if it's not pandemic, in pandemic you just shake hand like this. Oh, okay, good morning. How are you? Like this. It's okay. It's understandable. But if it's not pandemic, use your right hand to shake hands. Like this. Right hand. Don't left hand. How if your right hand is handicapped? So use your left hand and say sorry. Sorry, I used this one because this one is this one. Okay? Maybe that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video. Click the subscribe button down there. Subscribe is in here, so click this one. And then share to your friends. Maybe this information will be useful for them, for someone who wants to live in Indonesia or wants to know the culture of Indonesia. Click the notification bell down there, so if I uploaded my new video, you will know my video right away after I upload it. Comment down below if you want to give some recommendation or something. Just comment down below. One important thing is what I have shared is based on my experience. Indonesia has so many cultures. Actually, I don't know all of the culture of Indonesia. I just share the common thing. But that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next video.